All right, today we're playing games with the VR, and wow, it's awesome. And we have the aim controller, and we found out four of our VR games don't work, so we had to take a ride to, yep, GameStop. At least we didn't have to pay the full $40. We got it for 29.97, or actually 31 bucks. And as I'm purchasing, does this work with this? Yep. I was like, all right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's brand new, so we know it's not scratched. But we'll give it a look anyways. So we just throw out the receipt. Yep. Perfect. Bravo team. It says you'll need these, and it doesn't have the two handle ones. So we're ready to rock and roll. Bravo team VR.